But the fact that I did not date him does not mean somebody else should not find him valuable and find him interesting and enticing and every other thing in between. And you can never have somebody better than. It's a lie. It's a lie. You can have somebody 50 times better than you. And he showed me that, oh, I have a baby. He should be a cute little baby boy. The moment I saw that video, one thought just popped and said, that could be your child. Hi, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Evo. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. So I have a real life story to share with you. So I can drive home my point on reason why maintaining a positive relationship with your ex can be a total game changer. So recently I was in the store and I knew I went for shopping. I had to restock some things, and that store was close to the office of a friend. Yeah, he actually asked me out, but we did not date because I did not really see. I just did not see us working. He's a good person actually, so I just did not see a future in it. So I was around, so I decided deliberately to say hello to him. And when I got to his office, he was shocked. He was extremely shocked. He was speechless. Seeing me, couldn't see anything. And the statement he was saying was like, I was the least person he was expecting to see. And I was like, why? He said, he just did not even, he could not even combine his words together. So I told him, I was around your area. So I said, let me say hello to you. And I know it's been a while. And I knew he was married. He recently got married, right? Yeah, I was aware of the wedding, though I did not attend. I was just, hey, married man, how are you? Latest married man in town. Sincerely from my heart, purely from my heart, purely. So I was all good. Hi, how are you? How's the family? How's our beautiful wife? How is she? Trying to catch up with him. But he was still fidgeting. I was like, what's up? Why you like he was just like, oh my god, you're the least person I was expecting. And I was like, no, I'm just in the area, so why won't I be able to say hello to you? We don't have any beef now, or did we? And we tried catching up. And he showed me that, oh, I have a baby. He should be a cute little baby boy. And the baby boy looks exactly like him. Fine, handsome baby boy. So, oh my god, gorgeous. Baby boy is handsome. So he showed me baby boy. I was like, oh, so nice. Oh, nice. Congratulations, congratulations. And yeah, I left and went about the reason why I was around there, around that place at that time. So now, back to the reason for this video. I I know people don't really like anything about their ex. They usually say their ex is a devil. Sorry, I'm exempting those that probably had a toxic relationship, right? If your relationship is not toxic, this video is for you. So I know people don't usually say their ex is their enemy and all, but I don't think I can relate to that, right? He was not my ex literally, but I know he once asked me out and he actually wanted us to date, right? He was really into me, but only into me. But I could see I could see the opposite, the reflection. I could see how he was shocked, like, no, 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 I wasn't even expected to see it. So now one of the reasons why you shouldn't make your ex your friend. Number one, remember you guys were once friends. Before you guys even dated, you guys were one friend, right? Please don't forget I've exempted those that probably the relationship was toxic. If you know your relationship with your ex, probably why you dated wasn't toxic, please still let the friendship go on. You guys might not be as close as you were before, or talk as much as you are, but still, you guys are still friends. Still let that, yes, there might still be a barricade, or there might still be like, yeah, there might still be a barricade, but still let Let there be friendship so that at least once in a while you can still pick up your call and say, hi, how you doing? How's your family? Right? Number two reason is that life goes on. Soldier goes, soldier come. That's life. That's life. Soldier go, soldier come. The fact you did not end up with him doesn't mean somebody else will not end up with him. Or the fact that I did not date him does not mean, right, somebody else will not find him valuable and find him interesting and enticing and, every other thing in between, right? So life goes on. Ensure that moving on, ensure that you allow peace to reign. Let there be peace. Ensure you know that that is life. Life is bound to happen. Things like these are normal. You shouldn't let it make you feel whenever you see the person, you are just angry. Nah, I hate this person. It's the worst boyfriend I've ever had, right? And things like that. Now you've passed, you are more mature than that, right? Or when you are walking on the road, you say, I don't want to pass this street. Let me go and turn around. I don't want somebody to see me. Come on, who has that kind of time for all those kind of things? Now, the last point I have on my list is let go of unrealistic expectation. You know, let me be sincere. The moment I saw that video, don't forget I wasn't having any thoughts like that. The moment I saw that video, one thought just popped and said, that could be your child. He's so fine. Like the child is so handsome. That could be your child. I never thought of that before meeting him or before seeing him. Or I did not even know he had a child or anything. The last I knew about him was he was married. Or was he married then, or he got did his traditional marriage and all? I think I went in between phone. He also said he had issues with his phone, so probably we lost contact like that. So let go of that unrealistic expectation that that could be my child. Right? So let go of unrealistic expectation. And some of them might be married, some of them might be in that space. Some of them might even be out of the country and you start seeing, oh, I'm finer than the girlfriend, current girlfriend is this and you can never have somebody better than it's a lie. It's a lie. You can have somebody 50 times better than you. I don't believe there's one size fits all, one particular person. I'm a child of God, don't forget. But I'm not saying there's one Adam for me. If this particular Adam doesn't work, God will still create another Adam. Because God will not be the person to come and say, this is your husband. You must marry this person. No. You will be the one to decide, okay, this person I want to marry. So there are thousands of men. There are a lot of good men. So don't be deceived that there are no good men out there. There are good men out there. So let go of unrealistic expectations. You won't find somebody better than me. It's a lie. So I think that would be where this video will end. Ensure you embody peace, right? Peace at any time. Your ex is not your enemy. Your ex is not your enemy. So thank you for watching this video. So please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.